So it was a marathon for sure, and that's why I wanted our staff to make sure that they were here for this too, because part of what they did is manage to run a hotel around this renovation while we were doing it. We were open all the way through, and our guest satisfaction didn't change all the way through, and these guys rode the wave with us. So I think it bears some recognition for those of them that are here, and I'm really grateful to have the team we have. We have so many partners to thank. I know, thanks to Blackwoods Group, first of all, for the beautiful spread they put together for us, Jess and Molly and the whole team. I spent some time working with Blackwoods too, so it's like extended family around here. And we're really grateful. We're grateful to IGO, our ownership group, that put the investment into the property and really made this one of the premier mid-scale hotels in the state of Minnesota. I think we're up there, and we're blowing people away with what they see here. So that's really all I have to say. We've got some showrooms down the hall. They are propped open. We're not doing a formal tour, so as you want to sort of take a stroll through the property, feel free. All the rooms that are open are here on the first floor, like I said, just down the hall, so make yourselves comfortable. We've also got a basket over here on our big console table that we're collecting business cards, so you can write your name and information down. We're doing a couple of drawings for some tickets to the Nutcracker for, I'm drawing a blank. And
News
the
from
Valley,
Yep.
VIP
VIP tickets, 4 VIP tickets. Look, tongue twister. And overnight stay, 2 overnight stays for the hotel here in a king suite, and a gift certificate to the Blackwoods Steakhouse.
Perfect. Yeah.
Yeah.
So again, it's so grateful that everybody could be here. This is a ridiculous turnout compared to what I was expecting. Fantastic. We always think of ourselves as a hidden gem, and maybe that's not so true anymore, but we're grateful for it. So thank you so much.
And do you want to just talk about the elevator?
Absolutely, yeah. No, thank you. We added an elevator to our little 2-story hotel here, and boy, that was a project, I tell you. As far as I know, we're one of very few that have made the commitment to accessibility in our smaller hotels, and it's something we're really proud of, and something that's been really well received by the guests. And it was quite a project to put it in, but well worth it, I think, and I think it makes a big difference in what we offer our guests here. So. Yeah.
Great.
Congratulations.
Thank you.